Hey, scientists, grab those lab coats and goggles as today we explore how our understanding of science has changed over time and how. Let's get into it with our essential questions for today. Now, let's talk about our essential question. Remember, essential questions in science and in different lessons can help us think about what we already know about a topic, and it helps us connect to new ideas that we're going to learn today to help us produce a new thought about the topic. Our essential questions will be focused on our different science topics. So look for keywords. In those keywords, the minute you see them and recognize them, I want you to think, what do I already know about this topic? Once you have that in your mind, you want to look at the question again to see what we're trying to answer today or what are we trying to answer about that topic. It's important to remember that an essential question is like a goal as well. By the end of our science lesson, you should confidently be able to answer the essential question. Let's go over our essential question for today. Pause the video and read the essential questions now as a class. For your warm up activity today, you're going to get a sneak into the training that happens for astronauts. Now, where is this training done? That's what we're going to focus on in today's lesson. But first, let's take a look at astronauts and how they might train for some spacewalks. Pause the video now, and your teacher will switch over to the 360-degree astronaut training video where you can explore one specific training style that astronauts need to go through in order to prepare for their exploration in space. Once you have finished watching the video, come back and I'll explain what you're doing today in class. Now, yesterday we took notes on our piece of paper collecting information about our in our article about specific information on the telescope. We were able to organize our pieces of paper to collect specific information under each subheading. You'll still do a similar activity today, but you'll be doing that with partners later on in class. Before you get to that, your full group activity today is going to focus on some of that training that scientists have to go through. Now, we can't actually go to the space station, but you're going to train like a scientist does by using specific type of gloves to stimulate to simulate or represent what it feels like for specific scientists to have to go through trainings that they do at the space station. Scientists do similar trainings, but on a larger scale at the space station to help them prepare before they head up in space. Your teacher will explain some of the background information and give you the specific procedure for each of the activities you do today. As you collect information, it's important that you pay attention because as you have this exploration, it gives you a little bit of an insight to what's happening in the International Space Station, and that's what you're going to be reading and collecting information on about later. Have fun in your exploration today, scientists, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.